Hello everyone, my name is Maria Jose Palma. In this video I'm going to talk about my experience with my English teacher Nelson, his methods and his teaching style. He was my teacher during my first semester at another university. His classes were very special to me because they helped me feel more confident and improve my English skills. His classes were a mix of theoretical and dynamic activities. He always explained the topics clearly and used simple examples so that we could understand them easily. He organized different activities that help us develop and strengthen our skills, such as speaking, listening, writing, and reading. The advantage of this was that we always encourage his students to participate and express their ideas in English. Thanks to that, I felt comfortable and more confident when speaking. However, sometimes the class was too short, so some topics and activities have to be done very quickly. I learned from him that an effective English teacher must combine theory and practice and create a pleasant environment in which students feel free to make mistakes and learn from them. Besides this, I think that a good innovative teaching method could be activities that allows students to practice the four main English skills: speaking, listening, reading, and writing through short specific activities. It could include a small rotation or stations uh, where students um, where students work on one skill for a few minutes before moving on to the next. This keeps the class active, interesting, and well balanced. In conclusion, my teacher Nelson inspired to me to believe in myself and enjoy learning English. His teaching style showed me that motivation and participation are the keys to success in language learning. Thank you for watching this video.